Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real money. This is my real team of traders. We have a wonderful community from around the world. Let's get straight into the portfolio. You can see in the last hour, we're up 0.77%. In fact, 0.45 just dropped back there. 200 bucks. What a recovery today. Are we going to have a green day? It looks quite possible. Just $55 away now from a green day. We were down 4% today. This has been the biggest sell-off my portfolio has ever experienced. Absolutely incredible. Let's get straight into the trades. Here we go. As you can see, there it is. There was the dip. If only we had cash on hand to buy today's dip. It's the biggest dip we have ever had on my portfolio. I touched zero before on my overall portfolio, but never been this low. If you want to see exactly what I'm doing here, over on TikTok, click the profile here, click the icon on the center of my profile and come into YouTube. This is a YouTube broadcast. I'm actually giving away crypto, free cash. I give away as well. I give cash prizes away in my live show on YouTube. And also, you can see my screens. I share with everybody. I can't share with you on TikTok. It's impossible because there is no way of doing so. It's on a mobile phone. So there we go. Leah is my first guest. Hello, let's bring Leah into the chat. There she is. Thank you ever so much, Leah. And as you can see, we are just $33 away now from turning green for today. Wow, what a recovery. What a day this has been. A ridiculous overselling in the market. Right, let's have a look right now. See, Tesla is just $8 away from going green today. Rivian is just $2.75 away from going green today. SPCE was up, just dropped slightly. Hopefully it'll go back up again. Gores Guggenheim is just down 0.08. Lucid is up 4.5 today. Absolutely great day for Lucid, as you can see. Hood is lifting back up again. That's great to see. And Palatine is down 0.0099. Wow, that's a small amount. PayPal is up 3.76 today. PayPal has been phenomenal return today. If you're over there on TikTok, click the profile, click the icon, come on into the live show. There we go. We should be going. Green now on the. There we are. We're green for the very first time. What a day that was! Wow, we were down today at 43,625, I think, no, 43,600. Wow, that's $2,000 recovery today. What a recovery. If I could have bought the dips this morning, I would have made $2,000. If I could have sold today and bought back there, I could have made $2,000 today on my portfolio. What a day. Right, we're actually, look at that for a bounce. What the heck is going on? What a bounce net there. Right, I'm up now, $98 today. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. It's incredible. Right, let's have a look. That's what's doing it. We've got Tesla moving up now. We've got Rivian moving up. We've got SPCE about to go profit again. We've got GGPI is moving up. We've got Lucid, that's moving up 5% now. Great. Hood is moving up. Palatine is moving up. PayPal is moving up. Immersion is moving up. Rolls-Royce is moving up. Boeing is just trading sideways at the moment. Apple is trading sideways, just starting to lift up. Google is moving up. Coca-Cola is flat right now. Ethereum is moving up right now, 0.11 in the last hour. Let's look at it on the day. On the day, it's up 0.04. Bitcoin, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up 0.44 on the day. There we go. What a day this has been. I'm now $143 in the green. If we go over to the Martin Redding is here. Just been Martin Redding here. Welcome, Martin, one of our members here, one of our silver members. Congratulations and welcome to the party. Let's look on the app right now. You can see that Robinhood is up $117.24. Sorry, my overall portfolio is up $117, $129. Look at that, I'm up 0.25%. Can you believe these? Can you believe these bounces today? It's a day trader's dream today. If you could have sold your position and I mean, it's hard to say, it's hard to imagine, isn't it? If you could have sold before all of this happened, you could have done very, very well. Yep, a crazy day. There we go. But it's a day trader's absolute dream. This is. Day traders are making so much money today. It's unbelievable. 0.22%. Look at that. We're green. We want to get a couple of a percent up to get away from this position. If I look at my overall position now, I'm still $236 down. Even though we are up today, this is still $236 down. Okay, we've got a ways to go, but it's doing pretty well. Let's see what we can do right now. Let's see if we can get a couple of percent up. I did buy in some today. I bet you did. I bet you did. The opportunities today were all over the place. Let's look at all my brokerages. Let's go first of all to WEBULL. WEBULL is $477. It's a small portfolio, but that's all free stocks. All free stocks that I give away to everybody. If you want free stocks, you need to be here on YouTube. Click the icon, click the profile on TikTok, come on into YouTube. If you're listening to me on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook, come into YouTube. I give free money away every day. This portfolio you can see on the screen now is all money for free from free stocks. This is my COINBASE account. As you can see, Shiba Inu is down 8.26%. And as you can see, the portfolio is down, and eTORO holding around about $50, I would imagine. Let me just refresh the screen from eTORO. $50. This one here, is it going to come on in? Getting a slight delay there. We'll come back to eTORO if it's going to play up. The portfolio on Robinhood now up 1% on the hour. eTORO, there you go, $49. I've just a very, very small. All I have in there is $50 to support people that use eTORO. Let's go over to the charts right now. This is the overall portfolio, up 0.21%. Let's have a look at Tesla's chart. We can see Tesla has had some buying coming in the last few minutes. Rivian as well. I'm sure there'll be some buying coming in as it refreshes. Here we go. There you go. Buying coming in for Rivian. SPCE. Be exactly the same, I'm sure. There it is, buying coming in. GGPI. There's just a few charts. There was a big one there with GGPI. Lucid as well. If we check that, there you go, buying coming in. And of course, Hood will probably have the same. There it is, some big buying coming in there as well. Fantastic. All right. Let's get over to the trades again. Martin bought in today. Fantastic. Julius Caesar's here as well. Good evening, everyone. Welcome, Julius Caesar. Thanks for being here. We're up $84 now. Can you believe this recovery? Literally $2,500 from here to here. What a difference a day makes. Wow. Well, I didn't sell anything today. I didn't buy anything today. I would have liked to have done. But unfortunately today I was unable to do any micro trades, didn't have any options to do anything. So I just sat out, let the stock come to me, and here we are. We are growing again. All right, but we've got a long way to go. A long way to go. If we pan back out, you can see I'm still $300 down. But this took me 6 months to gain all of this. We got 4% in a day. So we can make all this up in 2 or 3 days. Not saying we're going to, but that's exactly what you can do. Once these companies have grown, because they are a lot bigger than they were here, of course, where they were to here. These companies have grown. This is not value of the stock. This is simply current climates because of the Fed and overselling and fear and everything else. So this could bounce back a lot quicker than it took to get from there to there in the first place. So let's have a look. That's what Martin did. Martin bought CAT, ABVIE, XME, and GM. And I want to thank Martyn as well for being part of the 24-hour off-air broadcast. That was great. The last sort of 2-3 hours, we've had Martyn Redding in the live chat on the off-air show, and thank you ever so much for being part of that and sharing your wisdom and your trades with everybody. It was great to be in there. Thanks for your tips and tricks. Really, really great. Thank you very much indeed. How much are you up today? Is that a joke? Is that a joke? Well, I'll show you. I'm actually up $28. I'm up $28 right now, 0.06%. There we go. What a recovery. And I think that's pretty good to come from minus 4.12. Yeah, it's nearly 4.5% in a day. Yeah. Dear, oh dear. Tesla is moving up now. Rivian is moving up now. SPCE is moving up now. My trades I've got to look forward to. I've got Rivian 99.78. I would sell. That's the point where I would go through in those 10 shares and make a profit. Hood, I've got seven shares to sell at 17.33. So we've got a couple of dollars to go there. And SPCE, 13.66. So we've got $1.50 to go there. So I don't think for a second I'm going to be getting any trades today. But there you go. At least there was a recovery today. Otherwise, I would be worried for tomorrow. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. It wouldn't have changed my position if there hadn't have been, though. I wouldn't have bought. I wouldn't have sold. I wouldn't have leveraged. I wouldn't have options traded. I would have just sat out on the sidelines and waited for it all to recover. Lucid is up 4.9% today. Robinhood is down 1.63. Peloton is down 2%. A good day. A great day if you bought the dips, I'd imagine. I bought BBBY and sold on the spike. I bought Ford and traded those. Wow. Yeah, you certainly did well today. Congratulations, Julia Caesar. Absolutely fantastic. I used my profit to hoover up some Palantir. All right, at a great price. They will go in my stocks and shares ISA for the future. Okie dokie. PayPal is up 3.61 today. Ryan Sullivan, I'm here. Ryan Sullivan, welcome, welcome, welcome. And lovely to see you here, Ryan. I'm just going to drop into the chat. If anybody wants to become a member of the channel for all the benefits and perks that you get as a member, here is the invitation to join. You'll notice the people with their names next to their a badge next to their name. We have Martyn Redding in right now, who's a member of the channel. He's a silver member, and I'll show you who our members are if you are interested. There we go. Here is the bronze members coming on the screen now. One of the perks. There's many perks that our members get with free birthday parties, free concerts, discounts on merchandise, exclusive video, be able to take part in the 24-hour show where you can chat, share your comments with each other and tips and tricks. Many things. Plus, of course, silver members get featured on my homepage of my YouTube channel. Here is a couple of members now. Silver members, they get their YouTube channels featured on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Very nice indeed. Lots and lots of benefits being a member. And we're just gone back to red again. That's the thing, when it's so close to zero, it doesn't take much to trip it back over again. Anyway, there we go. These are our silver members. Let's bring them in. Plus the Dave Mottram raffle. Yeah, we're doing that tomorrow. Yep, the Dave, I like that. That's funny. I'll give you that one, Julia. The Dave Mottram raffle. He would love that. He would love the fact that you've named it after him, and he's our gold members as well. Yet Ford is now a juggernaut, up another 305% price target, raised to 29. There you go. Am I going to buy into Ford? No, I'm not. I'm not going to buy into Ford. I was in Ford for a while, but I have more faith and more belief in other stocks. It's nothing wrong with Ford. I just think there are better options for me, to make me feel right about it. That's what I feel. Yeah, new price 35 for Ford today. Wow. Oh, not 305. I was going to say, that sounded a lot. I read it and I thought, wow, 305%. Now up 3.5%. Yeah, that makes more sense. I should have bought Ford if that was the case. Rivian now is just moving up. Where the overall portfolio is just gone red again. Just gone red again. Of course, it's a Friday sell-off now. Traditionally, Experience will share with us that on Friday we get some sell-offs. So are we going to get that now, or have we had enough of it? We'll see. Bought Ford yesterday was a great option. Okie dokie. That was Dodge Nitro Jude. Bought Ford. Thank you very much indeed for sharing that with us. Let's go and look at some breaking news if we've got some here. We talked about this morning. Let's refresh this screen and let's see if we've got some breaking news to share with everybody. Let's have a look. A market wash. Bed Bath and Beyond. Very, very funny. There we go. This is what you were just talking about some moments ago. This is what Martyn was just informing us on the situation with Ford. Let's go and let's change the situation there. There we go. Let me just clear that off the board a minute. There we go. Okay. Argos research analyst Bill Zaleski on Thursday raised his price target on Ford 3.61% shares to 29 from 20, citing the automaker's strengthening balance sheet and clearly defined financial targets. We believe that supply chain problems and semiconductor chip shortages will soon dissipate and provide greater opportunities for higher revenue and earnings performance for Ford, Zaleski said. The analyst kept his buy rating on the stock. Ford shares have gained more than 174% in the past 12 months, compared with gains of around 25% from the S&P 500 index. So as you can see, they're way up. So there you go. $29 is the target now. I've seen many a time though when we get a price target like this that the stock doesn't deliver that. I've seen that many times. So don't take that as a guaranteed fact because someone has said that's what it's going to do. You know, half the world of crypto said Bitcoin would be at $100,000, including me, by the way. I said that, but no one knows exactly when a stock or an asset is going to achieve a certain target. No one can do. But that's what the price target is now. And there you go. On the day now, I'm just slightly down red at the moment again. If you've just joined us, hit subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And we've got 40 minutes before the bell goes. Smash the like button, of course. We're a bit quiet in the house right now. 3 of you haven't liked the video. So what's going on? In fact, 4 of you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a timer on the clock. And I want to get to 10 likes in the next 55 seconds. 9 likes. There we go. One more. 10 likes. Boom. Let's go for one more. Let's push it to 11 in 40 seconds. We're getting down with the music. We want one more like in 30 seconds. Oh yeah. Evening Moo. Moo's Nella's here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I bet you feel better today, Moo, don't you? I just bought 1,200 Gove. Ooh, nice. There we go, 12. That'll do for me. Thank you very much, everybody. Oh, there we go. That woke you all up. Right, Gove. Let me have a look at my Gove position, which is Canoe, of course. Gove, G-O-E-V. Muzanella just bought 1,200 shares. Wow, that's a lot, isn't it? It is when you put it against mine. 2 portfolio $14. There it is. I'm down 13% on it right now. Trying to flip it. Yes, that'd be good, wouldn't it? To put some cash in the pot. There you go. It would indeed. Lovely to have you here again, Muzanella. I haven't ignored your text, by the way, about your proposal for your YouTube channel. I just haven't got round to it yet. I've not been able to put my attention to it yet, so I haven't forgotten. We were just talking about Ford. New price target of 29. There it is. From a latest analyst. What else? What other breaking news do we have today? Bed Bath & Beyond says even its printed flyers fell victim to supply chain disruptions and labour shortages. There we go. What else might be interesting for us to look at? Is Microsoft geared for a big move? Okay, this is a story that's 2 hours old. Let's bring it in. Yes, I'm not ignoring you. I'm just working out what I can commit to and what I can do for you. I know you're very keen to get your channel moving. Is Microsoft gearing up for a big move? Let's have a look. What do they say about this? Microsoft shares are trading slightly higher Thursday, although Jefferies analyst Brent Thrill raised the price target on the stock to 400 from 375 and kept a buy rating on the shares. This price target implies a 26% upside. Microsoft was down 0.014 on Thursday. Let's have a look. Why? What's going on? Shares recently broke out of what traders call an ascending triangle pattern and look to be consolidating above the resistance area. Resistance was previously found near the 305 level, but this area may now become support. Okay, the stock trades below the 50-day moving average, green, but above the 200-day moving average, blue. This indicates the stock in a period of consolidation. The 50-day moving average may act as an area of resistance, while the 200-day moving average may hold as support. The relative strength index has been failing the past couple of months and now sits at 37. This shows that more and more sellers have been moving into the stock the past couple of months, and now there are more sellers in the market than there are buyers. There you go. So interesting point of view there on Microsoft. Is it gearing up for a big move? The dollar increase as the channel starts to generate income. Oh yeah. We'll have a conversation. And Mucinella, as part of your gold plan, you got 2 1 hours a month. So just let me of Zoom calls, one-on-one Zoom calls. So please let me know if you want to do another one. Sorry about the connection last time. You seem to be suffering there with Wi-Fi or whatever it was, but hopefully we can get around that. I'm giving it some thought. I've got to know what I can commit to before I agree. I don't want to agree to something I can't deliver. So I give it some thought, and then I'll let you know. But one way or another, we'll get your channel up and running. Okay, autonomous driving is what will sort the EV market out. Correct me if I'm wrong, but XPeng also has auto driving, but news is Volvo has it too. I don't know. I don't have any knowledge about XPeng. I'm overweighted, to be honest, in EVs. With my Tesla position, my Rivian position, my Lucid position, I'm very, very, very much weighted on my portfolio. In fact, if I look at it, 10% is Tesla. 7%, that's 17%, Rivian. Bring in Lucid, whoa, that's 29% of my portfolio is EVs. So there's no way I'll be buying any more EVs because my portfolio would be an all or nothing basket. So yes, I think I have the best. I have the best of the best in there. And also, of course, I do have GGPI as well, which is the Polestar merger, but only 1.25%. But Tesla, of course, is the leader, yeah, by a long way. I'm a very big fan of Tesla. I love what Elon Musk is doing, and more importantly, how he does it. Not just what he's doing, how he does it, and why he does it, and ethically why he does it. I think that's what gives him the edge over everybody. Doesn't matter who you are. Right. Let's go and have a look at... Bear with me a second. Let's bring up a few new screens. It's a bit of a quiet one today. We had a long show this morning. I think we exhausted everybody. And Martyn was amazing in the afternoon show, with the off-air show. I agree, so many to choose from, but why is no one talking about BYD, the Chinese car manufacturer? They make their own batteries and chips. They are very big in China. For me, I'm not a fan of Chinese markets. It's just a principle that I hold. I don't like the corruption. I don't like the manipulation. I don't like the involvement of government. It's just not my flavour. The car might be great, but not really my interest, so I'm the wrong person to ask. I'm not talking about it. It doesn't interest me, but it might be the best car manufacturer in the world. I don't know, but that's how I feel. Martin Reddin said, finance, JP Morgan moves annual healthcare conference to virtual after attendees drop out on Omicron fear. Oh God, Omicron fear, we go again. Oh God, because it is China. Yeah, that's it. I mean, it's that's it for me. I have to be honest. No other reason than that. Anyway, if you're watching on the repeat, I ask you to subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you very much. It gives a thumbs up. Mr. Love appreciates it very much. And Slicky says amen. And welcome Slicky to the party. Here is the invitation to become a member, should anybody wish to do so. We've got one of our members in now, and that is Martin Redding. And Musanella is one of our gold members. Lots of new features added today, including, if you have a YouTube channel, it appears on the homepage of my channel. This is a huge advantage to you. You can see it there, look. Vapor's Guide and no reply. Roleplay police. I like that. But and as you can see, that's another one of our perks. They got added today. Lots and lots of things. Right, we're trying to get back up in the green. It doesn't really matter, really. It's just, I'm just happy that I've gone and recovered all this. This is great. Healthcare conference next week. will have an effect on health stocks. Indeed, it will. Thanks, Martyn, for sharing that. And I want to thank Martyn as well for being a major part of today's off-air show in the chat. We've created this new channel which runs 24/7. It's members only. Well, everyone can watch it, but only members can chat. And the idea is it brings all our community together. I don't know if you remember why I told you I was doing it. There are some countries that don't have level 2 data, and Muzanella was telling me about it. And it's a great opportunity to help and support people, but providing a community which is 24/7. So that's why we're doing it. Muzanella is working on a channel as well, and I'm helping him do that. Let's see if we've got any news on Rivian. Nothing on the page. What about Tesla? Any news yet? How to hedge your Tesla stock position. Okay, here's a new bit of new news here. Let's have a look. This will be very interesting. I'll be interested in this. How to hedge your Tesla stock position. Tesla has been one of the best performing stocks throughout the last few years. In fact, if you bought Tesla in January 2020, your position would be more than 1,000%. If only, right? If only. I only came into it a few months ago. The incredible run has many shareholders asking the same question. How do I effectively hedge my Tesla position? Very, very good. Very, very good question. Caden Youngquist is here with a new picture. There we go. For many investors, if they still like the story of the stock and Tesla's future, they would rather hedge their positions than sell shares. Some may want to hold on to their Tesla stock for tax purposes as well. That's right. Options expert Nick Chahine spoke on Wednesday. Benziga's live showcasing different ways to hedge a long Tesla position. Here are the easiest ways to hedge your Tesla position. Selling covered calls. I would sell covered calls if I had enough shares all day long, Chahine said. Chahine explains that you need at least 100 shares of Tesla to sell a covered call. For many retail investors, this option is off the table. It's off the table for me, and it's why I believe and know they will split the stock soon. That will help people do that. But if you do have 100 shares of Tesla, selling covered calls can be a profitable way to hedge your long Tesla position. Right now, selling a $1,100 call contract that expires this Friday would raise you about $1,600 in cash. Going long puts. If you don't have 100 shares of Tesla, but you're worried the stock will move down in the short term, you can buy puts. Put contracts allow traders to profit even if a stock is moving down. Right now, you can buy 1,000 puts that expire January 21st for $25.38 a contract. This means you have the right to sell 100 shares of Tesla at $1,100 a share, regardless of Tesla's share price. If you do this strategy, you're in the green if Tesla stock dips below 977 before January 21st. This is the break-even price, or the strike price, subtracted from the amount you paid for the contract. There you go. Lots of options and things you can look at. Right now, I'm not into option trading. I will be. I'm learning it. I'm studying it, but I'm not comfortable with it yet. I'm sure at some point I will. Right now, we are down 0.41 on the day. We've got just 25 minutes to go before the bell goes. Queen of self-breeding, the queen of self-breeding, the queen Oh, I'm sorry. It's been a long day. That's what happens when you do a 4-hour show in the morning and then do editing in the afternoon and then try and do another show. It's, yeah, I apologise for that. It's the queen of self-berating, most certainly. Okay. Caden Youngquist is here. Welcome. Caden Youngquist, lovely to have you here. How are you, mate? One of our bronze members. Shall we alert everybody in the world to who our bronze members are? Yeah, let's do it. Here we go. Here are our bronze members. Martin said, Kathy Wood's ARK Invest Management on Tuesday booked more profit in Tesla, selling 44,000 shares, estimated to be worth 50 million based on the latest closing price. I'm here. You will all like to know you're not yet invited to Caden's birthday party that he might be having on Saturday. He hasn't yet gone silver, so we haven't yet created his free event, which I will do for him. So we don't know yet. If he does, I'll let you know, and I'm sure we'll share the link and create the video for him, put it on YouTube, and we'll have a live event. But as of yet, it hasn't happened yet. Caden Youngquist, there he is. He's got a new picture, look. He's got a new picture. Absolutely awesome. Oh, by the way, while we were off air, 2 more pictures have come in. I want to share with you these pictures. Look at this. 2 new pictures. Look at this, everybody. This is going to blow your mind. You remember Bill ordered some Chinese mugs. He wanted to send his friends in China some mugs, and he had me make them in write the day trader and his name in Chinese. Well, we did that. Look at this. He just got his mugs today. I'm surprised it took so long, but here they are. Look at that lot. Look at that. He's sending those all around the world, all over to China. Look at that. Look at that lot. Isn't that amazing? All in Chinese, signed, delivered, and everything. I think I love that. Thank you, Bill, for getting that, and I hope you enjoy your mugs. You're very, very welcome. All right. If anybody wants a mug with their name on it, you just let me know, and I'll make it for you. I was just checking that we're all good over there. Over on TikTok, welcome. Jack Hessian, welcome to you, and lovely to have you here. Rolling, Joe79, how are you today? If you want to be part of the main show, we're actually over here on YouTube. TikTok is just a place for you to find me, but the actual show is on YouTube. All right, let's bring in our silver members as well. There we go. There we go. All right. Yeah, there's one other picture as well. I'll just share this with you. Thanks, Bill, for sending it in. I like Bill sends in all these pictures. Look at that. Look how it's stacked up in his house. You got enough mugs there, Bill? You got enough mugs? Brilliant. Let's go over to the app right now on TikTok, on Robinhood. We're down now slightly, 0.62 on the day. They look great. Yeah, I'm really, really happy how they came out. If someone says to me, can you make something with my name on it? A number of you asked me to make Bitcoin ones, and I've made Bitcoin ones as well. They're on the shop as well. Go and have a look if you're interested. And if you want your name put on a Bitcoin mug, you can't buy one like that in the shops. I can make it for you for $4. I make it. $120 in mugs. He got quite a lot. He got quite a lot, didn't he? The Queen of Self-Braiding. There you go. In her nice dresses. Lovely stuff. You never told us how old you were. You told us to guess your age. We all guessed, and then you never told us. So what's going on? What's going on? You need to. We need to complete that. Now tomorrow, I promised you a cash giveaway. I haven't announced how much it is because the market has been terrible and I've lost all my profits. So, but I wanted to do it regardless. So I will do it in the morning. I will definitely be doing it. It's for my members only, a cash giveaway. I like to do it for you. So I'll be doing it tomorrow in the opening bell. And as you can see, I'm down $660 overall. I mean, it's terrible. I'm absolutely... what's $5? Caden Youngquist. Yeah, the prize money. Yeah, it's $5. Hey, $5 is $5, right? I wouldn't mind winning $5. I tell you that right now. Markets dropping into the close. Well, no surprise. Going into Friday morning, of course. You know, I'm not doing anything right now. I'm just going to let it... Yeah, there we go. I'll take it. Damn right, I'll take it. I'm just like you, Caden. I take care of the pennies, the pounds take care of themselves. Queen of Self-Braiding drinks the Exila of life from your mug, Martin. That's why she looks so young. There we go. Well, we don't know how young she is. She asked everyone to guess her age. I feel terrible if I've got it wrong. I guessed 34. Someone else guessed 19. We were all over the bloody place. So I've no idea. I'm terrible at things like that, and I think you've got to be very careful because you can offend a lady by getting it wrong. So you get tricked into it. You get tricked. When a lady says, guess how old I am, straight away it's like, well, I can't say she's 19 because then she'll say, no, you know I'm not, you're just being silly. Or you say she's too old and then she tells you off. You know, you get trapped. You're in trouble. You end up in trouble. So, anyway, yes, it looks like the market is now selling off again. It does look that way. All right. Well, we've got to try to make some money for tomorrow's giveaway. So let's run a quick ad. You're not all going to fall in for it. You're not going to fall into it again today, are you? About refreshing the screen. If you want to give me a tip in the show without giving me a tip, you just refresh the screen. So if you go, oh, I'll give you a tip, just refresh the screen. That's all you got to do. So anyway, here we go. Has any of you ever eaten a fresh sugar? Yes, I have. I ate a fresh sugar cane in the Caribbean, in the Dominican Republic. I ate, or at least I chewed on a sugar cane. Yes, it's quite an acquired taste, is that? But anyway, so here we go. 10 seconds from now, I'll see you right back. You can skip the ad, of course, or watch the whole thing. It's entirely up to you. Here we go. There you go. Caden Youngquist says, I refresh every 2 minutes. That's a bit over the top, but I'll take it. Every 2 minutes, you'll be watching an ad every 2 minutes. What's going on? I'm selling fresh sugar canes. Very, very nice. Look at that. I'm selling fresh sugar canes. Do you promote that on your YouTube channel? How do you sell fresh sugar canes? You can't grow them in the US, can you? Can you grow them in the US? Do you have them in your back garden? How does that work? Because aren't you in Texas with me? Yes, you are. You're in DFW. Because you asked about your. Oh, by the way, remind me. I forgot about your son's graduation. I do apologise. Just remind me. I get so many things. I forget things. So just remind me. You wanted to hire me to do your son's graduation, or you could do an online event. That's another way of doing it. Anyway. That's good money from me. Martin, I have a son in college, and some of you were saying I am 19. There you go. I didn't. I said you were 34. Now that's right. See, I'm doing pretty well, right? I'm not far off now. Yeah. I reckon I'm about right. I 34, 35. I reckon I'm about right. So my son's in college, and some of you were saying I'm 19. Well, that can't be possible, can it? It's a compliment to you, though, right? That's good money from me. Yes, it is. If you that's good money from me. If you refresh the screen, as long as you see an ad, there's no point refreshing the screen if you don't. It's pointless, right? Anyway, Robinhood is now just moving up again slightly. Palatine is trading sideways. PayPal just falling back a bit now. Immersion just going sideways. Rolls-Royce is now up. Well, in fact, it's up from where it was this morning, but now it's trading sideways again. Boeing is down 0.69 today. And Apple is now down 1.66. A good buy, I'd say, Apple is right now. And Google as well, 0.07. Ethereum down 0.64. No, I calculate it every 2 minutes. You will trigger an ad. No, I don't trigger an ad every 2 minutes. I trigger an ad every half an hour. That would be a bit too much. My audience would not like that. What do you mean? No, I calculate it every 2 minutes. You will trigger an ad. No, I don't do that. Well, let me just change my screen a minute. Overlays and bring in the other ticker. There we go. All right. If you've just joined and you're watching on the replay, I want to invite you all to click on the my Twitter handle, because I don't know if any of you, if you've done that yet. If I lose my channel, when it does happen, special financial channels, they get deleted for no reason at all. Here is the backup. This is the way I can communicate with you, let you know what's going on, and build a new one. So please follow me on Twitter. It's the only way I'd ever be able to contact you again. You're guaranteed an ad every 2 minutes after watching the stream if you refresh. Oh, I see. For you to eat, I will ship. For you to eat, I will ship to you. Yeah, I am in DFW. Yes, I am in DFW. Yes, I thought so. Not that far away, really. I'm in Dallas. We're pretty close, aren't we? Tesla is just going sideways now at 1,068. This was interesting. I was told this morning that Facebook is doing very well. Let's have a look. I got out of Facebook. I'm not a fan of Mark Zuckerberg. I find him arrogant. I find him a little bit like... I don't really like him. If I'm totally honest, I know that's ridiculous. It's got nothing to do with the stock, but I don't. And I don't like what he's doing with Facebook. I feel Facebook is a little bit too... I don't know. It's not my favourite platform. In fact, I don't like it at all. Meta, which is originally Facebook, of course, flashes buy signal as traders race to the metaverse. I don't even believe in that, by the way. I don't even believe that the metaverse is going to be anything great. I know technology is great and new ideas are great, but I honestly don't believe that people want to be that disconnected with the world that you live through a mask and you're looking through a screen. I think human beings like to press buttons, like to feel tactile, doing everything with your hand in a virtual space, sitting with people in a room that don't really exist. I don't feel that for me is the future. But you may disagree with me. I think it's a fad. I think it's a thing that will come. And listen to me, I sound like a right old person, don't I? It's a fad. It'll all die out, and of course, it'll be the biggest thing in the world. But I just think people will get tired of that, wearing masks and stuff. But maybe they won't. Maybe Caden. Let's ask Caden. Caden, would you like to sit in your studio or your office and you were trading with a headset on, seeing all the stocks in front of you with your hands moving around, or do you just want to look on a screen, click a mouse, and do it that way, or would you like to walk through the stock market, you know, with your hands and move stocks around? I think it's just going too far, unnecessary. No, absolutely not. Well, there you go. There's from a young person. There's a young person that this was designed for. I think Mark Zuckerberg wants to make more money and is coming out with a new idea because it makes money, and I don't think it's great at all. Yeah. Anyway. So let's have a look at what it says. Meta Platforms opened the day trading on Thursday with a slight gap down, but early afternoon the stock was shooting up almost 5%. The move was not triggered by company-specific news. For technical traders, when the stock held support at the 322 level, it created a bullish double-down pattern on the daily chart, which was a great buy signal. As 2022 begins, Meta offers traders a chance to ride the race into the metaverse, with one Jefferies analyst comparing the opportunity to investing in the internet in its early days. I don't see that. I really don't see. I get the internet totally. I mean, obviously we live on it, but I would have got the internet then. But living through a virtual world, no. I think it's a bit of a fad, bit of a game. But who knows? For some, the idea of a metaverse, where some forms of daily life will happen virtually, is overwhelming. But many are beginning to understand the 3D network of virtual worlds could be one of the biggest disruptors this decade. I can see technology-wise, it's massive. I totally understand it's new and different, but I don't know if anybody really needs it. For some, the idea of a metaverse, hang on, the Facebook chart where Meta Platforms held strong at the 322 level, it didn't make a lower. In fact, you know what? I'm bored of it already. I'm going to delete it. I'm bored of it. I just think it's just a waste of time. Oh, God. Some of you are laughing at me going, right, he doesn't want to buy Ford and he doesn't want to buy Facebook. Not interested. I guess it's the colour blue. I don't like. I like blue as well. I like blue. Maybe it's just, I don't know. Blue icons I don't like. Ford and Meta. Anyway, let's read what Caden says here. Caden says, first of all, Martin says, just sold a little UPS to lot profit, and yeah, good idea. Don't like Facebook, don't like Mark Zuckerberg. Mark got no ideas, and Facebook is basic. I only use Facebook for marketplace. Right? Meta is dumb, but people and large companies are spending millions on virtual land, making Meta a lot. Yeah, see that again, I don't get. I don't get the virtual land. Same Queen, Tesla to the moon. Tesla to the moon is here. We've seen Tesla to the moon, a guest now. I would call a friend of the family. Comes regular. Not a member of the show. Doesn't have a badge. But most certainly is a friend of the family. Quite regular now. Julius Caesar most certainly is a friend of the family. Here nearly every day. It's such a leap from what most people have been used to being the norm. But the norm will no longer exist. And we are being prepared for it. I get it. I get that. Awesome. I get orders from there. Oh, you do? The marketplace. Omicron is just one part of the transition. People disassociating with other people. Oh, God. Oh, Omicron. You didn't mean Omicron. I was going Omicron. You don't mean Omicron, do you? Omicron. Sorry about that. I was thinking, hang on. I don't use Facebook. Tracking data gathering, I try to minimize all that. Hey, here he is. Robert Durant. All right. Smash. the like. Robert. All right, you know what to do, everybody. He's here. It's smash the like, Robert. You all know the rules. If you don't abide by the rules, you'll be banned from the channel. Here he is. Smash the like, Robert. He started this. He's gonna get a T-shirt with his name written on it. Smash the like button, Robert. There we go. Blow up the channel. He likes to come in and make a grand entrance. It's what he does. He always does it. He waits. I bet he's actually sat there watching the show, doesn't come in, and then he comes in at the last few seconds just to sort of say, here I am. So anyway, we're down at 0.87 today. We've got the day trader of the day coming up in a few minutes' time. Not just yet, of course. For those of you that weren't here this morning, I'm going to share with you the day trader logo, the new thumbnail for the new show. This goes out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The day traders live. It's for all the members. Anyone could watch it, but only the members can actually comment. It's to protect the community, so people can't just comment randomly all through the night and talk nonsense. The idea is you can share your trades, share what's going on, breaking news, 24 hours a day. If someone needs help, if someone needs a friend, if someone needs anyone to talk to, it's there 24 hours a day. And so far, pretty much, there's always somebody in the chat, and we'll keep on growing that and adding new features. I'm working on lots of new features. Some of you said we'd like some background music. So I'm writing some original piano music that can run in the background. So you could have it as a nice, relaxing, hopefully you'll find it, nice, relaxing piano music while it's giving you stock updates. Pretty cool, right? New is up 5% to 9.49. Breaking news there from Robinhood. We've got one of our bots in the channel right now, so let me just take care of that. Report a bot, there we go. Unwanted commercial content or spam. Report done. Okay, see you later. Anyone up today? Yeah, do you know what? I'm gonna guess Julius Caesar will be up today. I might be wrong, but I've got a funny feeling. Experience photoreal, physically accurate simulation powered by NVIDIA's AI technologies. It's an open platform for virtual collaboration and simulation. There we go, Martin Redding. Thanks for that. Information coming in from Martin. Okay. Right. We are now down to, let's get ready. 1.5 minutes to go before the closing bell. Now, sometimes on days like this, we get a bounce. Look at that, and it's happening. As we go into the closing hours, we get a bit of a buy-in. It's weird why that happens. You think, well, why would that happen now? Because there's less trading going on, but it tends to happen. It does tend to happen from time to time. Right, let's bring in the 1 minute timer for the countdown for the bell. Are you ready? Okay, let's see what happens today. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. The bell goes in 1 minute from now. What are we seeing? What's going to happen? Are we going to see a bit of a after hours bounce? Schools are closing due to COVID-19. Oh, there we go. Omniverse versus Metaverse war coming. Do you know what? It's sometimes in life you go, do you know what? I'm done with more technology. I'm happy where I am. I don't want any more. I'm at that point now going, I'm happy, I'm settled, I'm comfortable. I'm not rebuilding the studio, wearing a mask and going all... I'm happy where I am. So anyway, here we go. I sound like an old fart, don't I? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's now gone. All right, let's watch. We are in the after hours now. What about you, Martin? You're about the same age as me. Do you embrace all this new stuff? I mean, I think I'm pretty modern. I think what I'm doing is pretty modern right now, right, with all this. But the next phase of virtual reality, to that extent, I don't mind it as a game. Pick it up as a game, a bit of fun. But I don't want to sit here every day on a headset talking to all you lot. What a day, yes. What a day. Let's see if we go into the opening hours, into the closing hours. We're going to do the day trader of the day as well. So go to your main portfolio. Oh my God, do I have to do this? I was up a few moments, but not now. So I am down 0.71%. Down 0.71%. Don't post your scores until I bring up the timer. And we'll find out who the day trader of the day is. Will it be Martin Redding, Caden Youngquist, our youngest trader? He's won it before. I think Martin won it this morning. Or Julius Caesar. I'm thinking Julius Caesar for some reason. I don't know why. I just got my thoughts that Julius Caesar is going to come in and go, oh, boom, I got this. Rivian trading sideways. Get ready to post your scores. I'll put the clock on the timer. I'll put the timer on the clock. Whatever way around that goes. In a minute, all right? Okay, here we go. Palatine, down. Yeah, okay. So what we're getting so far, we're getting a slight down in the after hours. Generally speaking, things look generally like they're going down. There's a couple of sideways, a couple of slightly ups, but generally it looks like we're getting a bit of a sell down in the after hours at this stage. I would imagine the markets are going to be quite quiet. I don't see a massive amount of trading after a day like this. I think everyone's had enough. Personally, I mean, I might be wrong, but that's what I would say would happen. No, I don't. But limits like no email on my phone. No, I don't, but limits like no email on my phone. Could you rephrase that? Could you write that again? Right, okay. Let's put the minute up on the clock, and let's see who wins. My money's on, for some reason, Julius Caesar. I've just got this funny feeling Julius Caesar's going to win. Martin Redding's going to come in second. I'm going to come in third because I've had a very good recovery. My portfolio is good. My portfolio is strong. And it made a very, very strong recovery. So I stand by my stock. So I think Julius Caesar first, Martin Redding second, and me third. That's what I'm guessing. Let's see if I'm right. 1 minute from now. Here we go. And we're watching to see what our traders do right now. Let's see if what the scores are. You're waiting for the last second. I don't know why. I had plenty of time to prepare. Virgin Galactic is lifting up in the after hours. I'm not quite sure what's going on, why you're all so slow. Maybe you're all behind on a delay. Refresh your screens if that's the case. Down 0.18. Okay, there's Caden. 3, 2, 1. All right, there we go. Let's go back into the trade screen and let's have a look. You asked if I am into all this new tech. I said with limits, like no email on phone. Up what? There we go. I said Martin Redding would be up. He's up 1.15. I said he would come second. I would come third. and Julius Caesar would come first right now. What I am down 0.71, which actually puts me in 4th place behind Caden. So we're just trying to see where Julius Caesar's gone. I don't think she's here. So that means Martyn Reading won the morning and the evening. I don't know if that's been done before. Very impressive. Very impressive. Won the whole day. I don't know. Have we ever had that before? Have we ever had the same trader win the morning and the evening? I don't know if we've had that. Gores Guggenheim was up 0.25% in the after hours. That's encouraging. So, time's up. I'm going to give it to Martyn Reading. Thank you for sharing your honest trades. He is actually up 1.15. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. And let's give him a big round of applause. Congratulations, Martyn Reading. That's very, very good. Very, very good indeed. On a day like today, anybody that's not down is, in my book, done well. But anyway, for Martyn Reading, he's up 1.15. Absolutely great. Well done to you. The Queen of Self-Braiding, I'm up 2.27. Where is everyone? It's a very, very quiet day. Queen of Self-Braiding, have you not refreshed your screen? I keep saying you always seem to be about 2 minutes behind. I think you need to refresh your screen and make sure your the timeline is dragged up. That's why you're so far behind. You would have beaten Martyn, but the clock's up. Forward banks and credit cards are all around 3 to 4%. Fantastic. Awesome. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to end the show a bit earlier today. I've got some editing to do and some recording to do on the new 24-hour show. I'm recording some piano music. I've got to look at Musanella's information. He wants to build a YouTube channel. Give it to Queen. Okay, I'll give it to Queen. There we go. I'm up 2.27. We're going to give it to you. Even though you were late, I'm going to give it to you, all right? That's courtesy. Now I'm up 3.11. What the heck? What are you investing on? What's going on? I'm going to give you the round of applause before it gets any bigger. There you go. Fantastic. That's pretty good. Well done indeed. Well done. All right. Well, we're coming to the end of today's show. As I say, I've got to get off and do some editing. A lot of work to do this evening. I've got to work on what I can do for Musanella. Musanella is a gold plan member now, and he gets extra benefits like assistance with his YouTube channel, and he gets 2 1 hours a month on Zoom. And he's asked me to build him or help him with a YouTube channel, and I'm working out what I can do for him. So these are our 2 gold members, Musanella and the Vapors Guide. Thank you ever so much for your support to the channel, and I'm working on giving you your perks and benefits. Need BAC and C for banks spread it out. There you go. He is not the winner. He's not the winner. Yeah, Queen of Self-Braiding. I don't know if you can actually hear me. If you're out, have you got your audio turned up? Because you seem to be about nearly 3 minutes behind now. You need to refresh the screen and grab your timeline and bring it up to the present moment. So you're a long way behind what I'm saying. That can happen if you've buffered or paused the video. It puts everything out of context. So you need to do that. I think you're getting everything out of context and out of time. But I've announced you won. So you got the winning bell and the winning air horn and everything else. So anyway, it's just about time for me to go. So I want to thank everyone for being here. Tomorrow is going to be very interesting. It's a Friday sell-off day. Let's have a quick review straight after this very, very quick break. Here we go. Sorry about that. I clicked the wrong button. I apologize for that. Clicked the wrong button. Anyway, I'm back now. So we're going to take we're going to end the show right now. Thank you for being here. It's been a very interesting day. I'm glad we've recovered. At least we've recovered a very decent amount. But this has been the first time ever my position has ended so low at the end of the day. Normally I make a recovery, but not this time. This time I'm down considerably after the bell goes. So this is quite a drop for me. I would need to rise 2% tomorrow just to get back to zero. I mean, it's not great. I'll be honest. It's not great right now at all. It's not filling me with any kind of happiness at all. It's bloody frustrating, but it is what it is. So anyway, we'll take a break. I'll see you back in the morning. And in a few minutes' time, of course, in a few minutes now, just a minute from now, you can continue the conversation. You can continue watching the shares in the off-air show. It runs 24 hours a day. Everyone can watch it, but only members can comment in it. And I hope you'll continue to watch that and support each other. It's a way to communicate with everybody off-air. It's also a way to share breaking news. And sometimes traders just like a place to go where they can talk to friendly faces and get information they require. So it's a good little place to be. Bill is here. Hiya, Bill. How you doing? So I'll see you back in the morning. I'll join you in a few moments' time for the live chat. It just leaves me to say, Bill's having a nap. Yeah, he was. Just leaves me to say, take care of yourselves and each other.